Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out who screenshotted your Snapchat story. First, you have to open your Snapchat and then you will find your profile icon at the top left corner. This is a picture that I have put it on a story, so that picture is showing instead of my profile picture. Now you can find all the story in your My Stories section. I have just put two story here. The second story is recently uploaded, and that's why there is no view. And the first story has 2 views and 1 arrow here. You can see on 1 arrow here, and that's mean the 1 interaction, and that's mean the 1 person is taken screenshot of my story. Now if I click on my story, this is my story, and you have to scroll up, and then you will find the list that who have just viewed your story. Now the first one is just viewed my story just because of he has no icon at the right side, but the second one has an arrow icon, crossed arrow icon, double icon. So that's mean the second one is just screenshotted my story. That's how when you find someone some number on this icon, this means the interaction, and this one means the view. If you scroll up and then you find that person with this icon, means that person has just screenshotted your story on Snapchat. That's how you can find out who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.